Folding phones are already being pitched as the next big wave of tech, and whether or not that turns out to be true, the industry has no plans to stop there. Lenovo has just announced what it says is the world's first foldable PC, a prototype ThinkPad that iterates the foldable tech we've already say. And from phones on a much bigger scale. The company announced the ThinkPad X1 foldable prototype laptop at its annual sales event today, aiming to show one direction it sees the future of computing heading. In a brief meeting to demonstrate a working prototype of the device earlier this month, Lenovo told Quartz that it sees the future X1 device replacing the average person's daily computer, providing them a large-screen Windows device in a small package. It doesn't have a price for the unreleased device yet, but its X1 line of products is generally reserved for its high-end computers. Lenovo is still working out the kinks of the product, it's still figuring out how a physical keyboard will fit into the computer, for example, and plans to take its time releasing it. Lenovo said it's been working on the device for the last 3 years, and doesn't plan to release it until 2020, presumably hoping to avoid a fate like the Fold. The prototype, however, didn't feel like a massively unfinished device. The hinge allowed the screen to be sturdily tilted up to a variety of viewing angles when it was folded into the shape of a traditional laptop, and the device seemed to have no problem running Windows. The large 13.3-inch high-resolution display looked bright and sharp, however it was curved.